Hello friends, welcome to Sunil Engineering Academy. This is Bharat. We are looking into the PR Max series of lectures friends, and this is the class 2 of heights and distances topic. Here is the PDF which you can find in the description box and you can download from there friends, and the topics covered are heights and distances and trigonometry and problems regarding these two topics friends, from progressions, algebra, linear equations and lines, triangles, quadrilaterals, circles and mensurations. The problems will be uploaded at the time of the making video friends. While you are watching progressions topic, you will be provided with the PDF of problems. Right now in this PDF there are concepts, formulas and shortcuts given friends. Okay, but for these two topics, heights and distances and trigonometry, you are provided with the problems also. Feel free to download them. Now we will look into the topic. So we are looking into the model 1 problems. A person in A is in a middle of two poles of different heights and makes an elevation angle of theta of pole 1. See friends, there is a person here. He is in between middle of the two poles friends. Pole 1, pole 2 of different heights. So this is pole 1 and pole 2, and from here he makes an elevation of angle of theta of pole 1 friends. Here you can see elevation angle of theta, and makes an elevation angle of alpha with pole 2. He is making alpha. Then the distance between the poles, we have to find the distance between the poles friends. Suppose the height of the pole 1 is h1 and the height of the pole 2 is h2. We have to find the distance between them. See friends, we will take the first pole and the person and the distance between the person and the first pole. It is similar to our usual basic trick friends. This is h1, this is theta. We have to find the base. From this we will get base 1 is equals to h1 cot theta friends. In the same way we will find the base 2 of the second, the elevation angle with the pole 2 friends. That is, we will take this triangle. From this we will get base 2 is equals to h2 into cot alpha, and adding these two, base 1 and base 2, we will get the distance friends. The distance between the two poles is given by b1 plus b2, that is h1 cot theta plus h2 cot alpha. So this will be the answer friends. Let's see a problem. Two poles of equal heights are on either side of 50 meters broad road. There is a 50 meters broad road friends, and the two poles of equal height are on the either side of the two poles. And from a point on the road, the angles of elevation of their tops are 45 degrees and 60 degrees. Suppose there is a man or there is an elevation of angle 45 degrees of one pole and 60 degrees of other pole friends. So what we have to find? We have to find the height of each pole friends. Here the total distance between the two poles is given, and we have corresponding angles friends. We have to find the height of these two poles. We all know the formula or usual way of solving the problem is base is equals to h into cot theta friends. So we will take the first base, we will consider the first triangle. So base 1 is h into cot 45 degrees friends, and the second base is given by base 2 is equals to h into cot 60 degrees. All we have to do is that we are given with the 50 meters distance between the that is length of width of the road friends, that is 50 meters is nothing but b1 plus b2, that is h into cot 45 plus cot 60 degrees, and we all know that cot 45 is 1 and the cot 60 degrees is 1 by root 3 friends. So cross multiplying, we get h is equals to 50 divided by root 3 plus 1 into root 3 friends. So this will be the answer. So it will be in the option. All you have to know is that how to solve the problem. Methodology is very important friends. So whatever may be the question here in model 1, we are given with the two triangles like this. We will get two poles and there is two elevation angles, and we are given with the distance and height is asked. Again we will use the same method to solve the problem. Let's see another problem. From a point on a bridge across a river, the angles of depression of the banks are at 30 degrees and 45 degrees respectively. If the bridge is at the height of 3 meters above the river, find the width of the river friends. See friends, there is a bridge. There is a bridge on the water friends. Suppose these are the two banks of the water. Water is flowing like this. Okay friends, and the bridge is built here. All you have to do is that we have to from there is a point on the bridge. There is a point on the bridge across a river. The angles of depression of the banks, here the angle of depression of the banks is 30 degrees and one is 45 degrees friends. So angle of depression is 30 degrees and 45 degrees. In the same way, on the river it will become 30 degrees and 45 degrees respectively. If the bridge is at the height of 3 meters from the water level friends, we have to find the width of the river. Have you got it friends? I will reproduce this diagram here. The bridge is at the height of 3 meters and the angle of depression, that is here the angle will be depression, here it will be elevation friends. So it is of one bank it is 30 degrees, of the other bank it is 45 degrees friends. All we have to find the width of the river friends, width of the river. Here by seeing this we will find the base of this up to here. This is base 1 and we will find base 2. We will add this bases friends. Same formula. Base is given by h into cot theta or base 1. Base 1 is given by h, that is 3 meters into cot 30. Cot 30 is root 3. Base 2 is given by h into cot 45. 3 into 45. Cot 45 is 1 friends. So by adding b1 plus b2 we get total width of the river. Width of the river is given by b1 plus b2, that is 3 meters into root 3 plus 1. This is the answer friends. 3 into root 3 plus 1. How easy you can do this problem if you remember only one formula. Base is equals to opposite height into cot theta friends. By using this you can solve all the problems. We will see another problem. We'll see another problem, model 2. If the angle of elevation of the sun changes from 30 degrees to 45 degrees, the length of the shadow of pillar decreases by 20 meters. Then find the height of the pillar. Friends, see here this is sun and this is pillar friends. So pillar height we don't know, but here the question says that the angle of elevation changes from 30 degrees from this position to 45 degrees. This is the second position. In this position the shadow comes to here, the elevation comes to here friends. Earlier the pillar shadow used to be up to here friends. Okay, we will see base 1, and after the sun reaches 45 degrees the shadow comes to this position. The length decreases to this position and it is decreased by 20 meters. He is saying that the difference is this difference is 20 meters, friends. We have to find the height of the pillar, friends. So what we will do is that we will consider the first case, that is first case when the sun is at this point, the triangle is of 30 degrees angle and the base is of we don't know, and height also we don't know, friends. So we will take the first case. Base 1 is given by h into cot 30 degrees, friends, and the base 2 is given by the same height of the pillar doesn't change, but the shadows changes, that is base 2 is different, and the cot angle is 45 degrees, friends. All the data what we have is that the difference between base 1 and base 2 is 20 meters. The change in the pillar is decreased by 20 meters, so the difference is 20 meters, that is base 1 minus base 2 is 20 meters, friends. So from this we will get h into cot 30 degrees minus cot 45 degrees, friends. So what is cot 30 degrees? You all know that that is root 3, and cot 45 is 1, friends. So the height of the pillar is nothing but 20 divided by root 3 minus 1. Rationalizing this, how we will rationalize? We will take for root 3 minus 1, we will take root 3 plus 1 and multiply and divide, friends. All we will get is 20 root 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1, that is 2. We will get 10 root 3 plus 1. So the answer is 10 root 3 plus 1, friends. D is the right option. So what, this is very important model. Model 2 is the sure question in your exam, friends. So you can go through the 8th question in the PDF. It is similar to the 7th one, friends. So here in the 9th question we can see from an aeroplane vertically above a straight road, the angle of depression of 2 consecutive kilometer stones on the same side are 30 degrees and 45 degrees. Then at what height the aeroplane is flying, friends? See, there is an aeroplane that is flying, friends. Okay, that is flying here. Okay, and there is 2 consecutive kilometer stones, friends. Consecutive in the sense side by side. If the kilometer stone is side by side, then the difference between distance between them is 1 kilometer. The distance between will be 1 kilometer. The distance between the 2 kilometer stones will be 1 kilometer. This aeroplane is flying at some height which we have to find, friends. Okay, we have to find the height. But what he has given? He has given the angle of depressions of 2 consecutive kilometer stones which are on the same side. He has given the first one's angle of depression is, this will be of 30 degrees, and the second one will be of 45 degrees, friends. 45 degrees. This is 45 degrees. All we have to find is that we have to find the height of the aeroplane. The same way, the questions format will change, but the procedure is same. This model 2 has different kind of problems. There will be ships, there will be boats, there will be aeroplanes, and there will be birds, something like that, but the answer will be easy. Why? If you solve like this, we will take the first case, that is 30 degrees, and we will find the base. Base 1 is given by h into cot 30 degrees. Base 2 is given by, we will take this up to this length, friends, that is h into cot 45 degrees, friends, and the difference between these two lengths is given by 1 kilometer. So base 1 minus base 2 is given by 1000 meters, that is h cot 30 minus h cot 45 degrees, that is equals to 1000 meters. So taking h as common, cot 30 is root 3 minus 1 is equals to 1000 meters. H is equals to 1000 divided by root 3 minus 1. Again, after rationalizing, we will get 1000 divided by 2 into root 3 plus 1 friends. So what is root 3? Always you have to remember the value of root 3. Value of root 3 is 1.732 friends. By adding 1 to that, we will get 2 point, here root 3 plus 1 is given by 2.732. 2.732, and this is 1000 meters. 1000 meters can be written as 1 kilometer. So 2.732 divided by 2, what we will get? 1.365 kilometers friends. So 1.365 kilometers is the right answer. Or you can stick to 1 kilometer instead of 1000 meters. You can directly go for 1 kilometer, 1 kilometer, 1 kilometer, 1 kilometer, 1 kilometer. So all you will be getting is root 3 plus 1 by 2. 2.732 by 2, that is 1.365 meters. Here friends, solving answer is important. In the same way, I was making you to get familiar with this model, how to solve it from by using only one formula, base is equals to h into cot theta friends. Heights and distances, model 3, 10th question we are looking into. The angle of elevation of the top of a building and the top of the chimney on the roof of the building from a point on the ground or x and 45 degrees. Okay friends, how to draw this diagram from this data friends? Here he is talking about the angle of, here you can see the angle of elevation friends, of the top of the building. First comes the top of the building and next comes the top of the chimney friends. What is chimney? Chimney, flagstaff, flagpole, whatever it may be, which will be upon the building friends. There will be building of height some h meters, and upon that there comes the chimney friends, or flag post or flagstaff, whatever it may be. These comes on the building friends. So this will be placed upon the building. That is the here trick friends. Okay, first he is mentioned the angle of top of the building. First it is the angle of and the top angle of elevation of the top of the building. This is the top of the building friends. This is given by x, and the top of the chimney is given by 45 degrees friends. So for this big triangle it is 45 degrees. For this dotted line and this triangle, building and this triangle, it is x degrees friends. So from this we have to find the height of the building friends. Here the height of the building is given h meters, and we have to find the height of the chimney friends. We have to find the height of the chimney. Okay, the height of the chimney, let we take as c, and the height of the building, it is given as h friends. Here we have to note that the base for two triangles is same. Base is same friends. So that is the trick here. Base is same friends. So taking the first triangle, that is this triangle, the height of the building, the angle 6x degrees, and the base. We know base is given by h into cot theta. Here theta is x, cot x, and this is same as the big triangle, that is the height of the chimney plus height of the building, that is h plus c cot 45 degrees friends. So from this we get h cot x is equals to h plus c friends. Cot 45 is 1. From this c is given by h cot x minus h, which is the option B friends. So we are also using the same formula. Base is equals to h into cot theta friends. Base is given by h, the opposite side of the angle multiplied with the cot of the angle. Base is equals to height into cot theta friends. By using this we are getting the answer within no time friends. Let's see a problem. An aeroplane of when flying at a height of 5000 meters from the ground passes vertically above another aeroplane at an instant. See friends, there is a aeroplane which is flying at 5000 meters friends. It is flying at 5000 meters, and at an instance it is flying above another aeroplane. It is flying above another aeroplane. See friends, there is another aeroplane which is flying, friends. Okay, below above that aeroplane. When the angles of elevation of the two aeroplanes from the same point on the ground, see, someone is watching these two planes. One is at 45 degrees, the another is at 60 degrees, friends. See friends, here you can't say this is the first aeroplane, so I put 60 degrees for this. This is the second aeroplane, there is 45. It is obvious, friends. The higher the angle, higher the height. See friends, 60 degrees it is for the topmost aeroplane, and lesser degree for the below aeroplane, friends. Okay, and what we have to find, the vertical distance between the aeroplanes at the instant. So what is the distance between these two aeroplanes we have to find, friends. Here the base is same, so the trick to solve this kind of problems is the base is the same, friends. We know the base. How to find the base? Base is given by height into cot theta. In the same way, base is same. So we will take the uh, total height, that is 5000 meters, is equals to h into cot 60 degrees gives the base, friends. Base is given by, we all know that base is given by h into cot theta. So h into cot theta, we get 5000 into cot 60 degrees. And the secondary height, we don't know this height. Do we know this height? We don't know this height, friends. But if we take, this is h, the difference between them is d. Suppose if we take d, the difference is d, and this becomes 5000 minus d. Am I right? 5000 minus d. So 5000 minus d into cot 45 degrees. Cot 45 degrees, because the base is same. If we have taken the bigger triangle and we have find the base, that is 5000 meters into cot 60 degrees, this thing. And the second expression is, we are taking this triangle, friends. This is given by 5000 minus d. This is total 5000. We are removing this d. We are left with 5000 minus d, and we are finding the base by using h into cot 45 degrees. Cot 45 degrees. This is also the base. Bases are same. From this, what we will get, 5000 1 by root 3 is equals to 5000 minus d. D is given by 5000 minus 5000 1 by root 3, that is 5000 into 1 minus 1 by root 3 meters is the distance between the two aeroplanes, where the answer is given in the option C, 5000 into 1 minus 1 by root 3. All you have to know is how to solve the problem. For this kind of problem, model 3, the base is same. By using this base is same for two triangles, we are comparing the two expressions, friends. By this we are getting the answer. We will see and another problem. 12th question, the angle of elevation of top of an incomplete vertical pillar at a horizontal distance of 100 meters from its base is 45 degrees. See friends, there is an incomplete vertical pillar, and the horizontal distance from a point of 100 meters, the angle of elevation of this incomplete pillar is 45 degrees, friends. If the angle of elevation of the top of the complete pillar at the same point is to be 60, if this vertical pillar is completed, if this is completed then this angle of elevation will become 60 degrees, friends. Then the height of the incomplete pillar is to be increased by, from this height, how much it should be increased. they are asking how much it should be increased. This part of the height of the pillar they are asking, friends. Okay, the base is same again, the same, friends. Base is same. We don't know the first. We will find the height of the incomplete pillar, friends. For this triangle, the base is given by height into cot theta. Cot theta is 45 degrees, friends. And we know that base is 100 meters, height into cot 45 is 1. So from this, the height of incomplete pillar is 100 meters, friends. We have got h equal to 100 meters. Now we will take the bigger triangle. For this bigger triangle, the height is 100 meters plus the increased height, that we will take it as a. So we will take height as h plus a, that is 100 plus a. Okay, friends, 100 plus a we will take as the height of the completed pillar, and the angle is of 60 degrees. So the base is equals to 100 plus a into cot 60 degrees. Cot 60 degrees is 1 by root 3. 100 plus a into 1 by root 3. The base, we all know that it is 100 meters, friends. So from this we have to find the a. So bringing here 100 is equals to 100 plus a. 1 by root 3, I will get this side we will get into root 3, friends. So a is equals to 100 root 3 minus 100, or 100 into root 3 minus 1 is the height of the pillar increased by, if the height of the pillar is increased 100 into root 3 minus 1, then the angle becomes 60 degrees, friends. So the answer is 100 into root 3 minus 1. Are you getting this problem, friends? So even the model 3, we are solving the problem by using base is equals to h into cot theta, friends. So friends, if you have any queries, you can get in touch with the Gmail chelpline@gmail.com. Even if you have any problems with the transactions of downloading PDFs, or if you have any doubts, or if you want any topic regarding any subject, you can get in contact with us, and we will be responding to these mails within 10 or 15 hours, friends. We will be responding it. Okay, friends, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumb button and